Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at this AC unit. I charged it, but it's low now. And I don't know if you can hear it, but when I undo this low side, there's this like slight psh sound. So I know that there is probably some leakage from that. And when you do the high side, there's really nothing. So I think that side's okay. So what I did was, I don't want to take the whole thing. I think there's still gas in there because there's still a slight pressure. So I got one of these things. Here, can you see what that is? Yeah. So it has a device for both the low and the high side, and the blue one is for the low side, and it comes with some replacement hubs. So I think that will be our ticket. So to use this tool, we're just going to open it up, and then we'll just do after we're done, we'll just do a quick charge of it. But let's see if I can get this thing out apart. Now, Master Cool makes a very nice set, but it's also pretty expensive, so I went with this one. Basically, this will click on to the valve, and then what you're going to do is basically you're going to use this to then go in and unscrew that, okay? And then once you're out, then you can close the valve like so, and then you can unscrew it from the top, and it'll be sealed still. At least that's the idea, okay? So let's give it a try and see if it works, okay? So here I'm going to tighten that up, open that, and then we're going to move it in, okay? So let's give it a try. Alright, let's see if we have enough room even to work here. Oh yeah, just barely. No, I don't think I'm going to have enough room. This is not good. Because if I can't get it out, then I don't have enough room, right? Yeah, this is not good. Because I won't be able to get it out. Yep. It hits, look at that. It hits right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it hits right here on the fan shroud on this car, just because of the location of it. If it was actually tilted out more a little bit, can I tilt it out? Oh yeah, okay. I can pull it out. Okay, good. So let's go back in. Okay. There we go. And see if I can center it. There we go. And unscrew. There we go. It takes a little pressure. You push, because the pressure keeps pushing the wand out. Push. I don't know, do I have it? Let's see. We'll close this and unscrew that and see if I got it, or if I have to do some more. All right, we're gonna keep going. Open this up. Go back in there. Keep rotating. Okay, hopefully that's loose. Let's see if we get it out. Okay, I got it out. It's a big one, thank goodness. This kit has some of the big ones in here, so we'll get one of those in there. I'll lubricate it with some oil, all of the rings, so that it flows in there smoothly. So let me get one ready. Give me a second. All right, let's try it again. I put a piece of block here to push this out, so now I have free, access to it. So I coated it in oil, and now we gotta just close it up. And let's see if we can get it mounted back in there. Okay, tighten the valve. And then open that up, and then we'll push it in and then start threading it back in there. And I'm thinking threading it in is probably going to be easier than, oh, there we go. Alright, I think we're done. Alright, we're going to hook up the gauges afterwards, and then we'll yep. Oh yeah, that's nice and tight. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to get everything back together, and then we will charge the system. Okay, so that's next. Let's charge the system. You can see that the compressor is fitting. I just charged it on the low side, and I capped it already. So let's take a look at the inside temperature. Alright, we're inside the car now. I got the AC on, and I'm going to use the, let's get it on Fahrenheit so everybody knows what the heck, because this thing always defaults to Celsius. And if we go in here all the way in the back, it's down to about 55, and the longer I hold it, 55 to 58. It's not on recirculate. Alright, so here we go. So there you go. We're down to about 50. We're on recirculate, 50 degrees, 51. And I think on recirculate it's going to get a little colder, so 48. Okay, so I think we're going to check for the leaks again. We're going to see how it goes. But other than that, hey, thank you for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, and have a great day, everyone. Take care now. Bye.